Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how to download and install Java in your Windows machine. First of all, go to your browser and type in the address developer.oracle.com/java. Then click on downloads and then Java SE. If you don't find Java 17 availability in your screen, then just click on the latest version because as far as I know, Java is backwards compatible, so you will not face many issues. So you click on Windows and then the MSI installer. Your download will start. I already have this file inside my local storage, so I will just run the installer. So it's preparing to install now. Then just click on next. Just make sure you know the path in which this is installing Java. If you want to change the path, click on change, and I will just point it to C/Java/Java 17 and click on next. Just wait for the installer to finish everything and then close. So if I just go to the this PC, then I must see the Java installation somewhere over here. Yes, so as you can see, Java 17 is installed. Just click over here and copy the um, path of the directory in which your Java 17 files got installed. Then the next step is to set the Java home variable in order for the programs that you might write to execute. So search for environment variables. Click on this edit the system environment variables in the control panel. Then click on environment variables. The first step would be to like add a new system variable. So name the variable as Java home, then put the value as whatever we copied from the directory, then click OK. The next step would be to edit the path variable, and here you need to click on new and select and enter Java home percent slash bin and click OK, and again click OK. Now open your command prompt and see if you can find anything under Java version. As you can see, you have Java version 17.0.2 installed in your system now. That's all for this video, guys. See you in the next